Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to your number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at 4 potential altcoins to buy at the end of May going into June. So as you guys know, the market has been pulling down in the past few weeks. Currently in the past 24 hours, the market is down about 0.31%. So it's pretty much flat almost. So if we take a look down here, top gainers in the past 24 hours, we have this coin right here. Ampliforth governance token, which is up about 25%. Highest volume as usual, Bitcoin. So if we take a look down here real quick at the market, what's going on, the Bitcoin is pretty much flat actually, up about 0.12%. So it's at 38,000. Ethereum down about 1.5%, currently trading at 2,700. We have Binance, which is up about 2.5% at 363. We have Cardano down about 1%. We have Dogecoin down about almost 3%. Polkadot is up, Uniswap is up, Chainlink, Litecoin, Polygon, Matic is down a little bit, making a pullback. One of our favorite coins. We made a dedicated video about that one actually 2 days ago. So if you guys are interested in that, check that video out as well. Now, we're going to be getting into these cryptos and obviously what they are, how they're performing right now, and what our outlook is for the rest of 2021 and going into the next few years. So let's get into it, guys. But before we get into it, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 200 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time we make a new video. As always, if you want to sign up for Webull, get your 2 free stocks valued at up to $1,800. Links are going to be in the description for that. Leave a comment below. What crypto do you want me to talk about on this channel? So the first cryptocurrency on the list is going to be REN, R-E-N. So this one is up about 7%. Currently trading at right around 59 cents. It was at lows of about, down here at about 49 cents at one point today. And then went up to highs of about 68 cents, 69 cents at one point, and then pulled back down. Now, this market cap for this coin is 590.7 million. So market cap is very low, which means there's a lot of room for growth in the future. Volume in the past 24 hours is around 148.2 million coins. Now, in the past week, this one's up about 6.82%. In the past month, down about 34%, with highs up here of over $1 at one point. Then we saw a pullback all the way down to about 28 cents. Lost about, 60% plus of its gains from the high right there. If we take a look at the 1 year chart, up about 542% as the coin was trading at 0.0952 and then went all the way to highs of over $1 up here, $1.85 in February at one point. And we saw it make a pullback, consolidated, made decent, levels right there, and then a huge pullback once the whole crypto space started to fall at the beginning of May, as well as, Bitcoin pulling everything back down with all the things going around Elon Musk and how he said that Bitcoin will not be accepted anymore for the Tesla vehicles, which was huge news pretty much for the whole crypto market and kind of started this downtrend that we've been seeing. Now we're waiting for it to break through. So REN is a cryptocurrency that power REN, the first and only open protocol that provides access to the, inner blockchain liquidity for all decentralized applications. Now bringing BTC, BCH, and ZEC to your Ethereum dApp. Now unlocking new liquidity and resources to power a new wave of value in the open, finance movement. Now REN is now available on the DeFi swap. Users can swap REN, BREN liquid providers to earn fees and boost their yield up to by 20% by staking when staking Crow. So that is something interesting with REN right now. And this coin is, still in the beginning stages right there. If we take a look at the market cap, only 590 million, like we said. There's plenty of room to grow. I mean, that could easily be a 5 billion market cap in the future, which would give it over 10x potential. And I wouldn't be surprised to even see higher than that in the next few years, as long as the coin stays, to continue to improve and do better things for us. I think that could definitely be a possibility in the future. The second coin on our list is going to be Monero. So Monero is XMR. This one is trading at around $522 right now, down about 1.3% in the past 24 hours. The market cap on this coin a little bit higher than the REN, which is about 4.5 billion right now. Volume in the past 24 hours at around 307.3 million coins traded. In the past week, this one's down about 10%. In the past month, 37%, as we hit highs here of over $500 and hit lows down here of about $150. So that is a huge drop, over 60-70% drop right there. Good dip buying opportunity for anybody that felt like they missed out. That was a great dip buying opportunity at what was the low again? 150 or so. So we went from 150 on May 19th all the way up here to about 325 on May 21st. So 2 days we saw almost 100% or a little bit around 100% gains in a matter of 2 days right there, which is just insane to think about once again, because the volatility in the crypto space is insane and through the roof. You can see these coins go up 50%, 100%, or they can go down 30, 40, 50% in a matter of a day or even a few hours, depending on what is going on in the whole crypto space, which is the insanity behind crypto right now. The volatility is very high, so it's a high risk, high reward type situation. Now, what is Monero? So this one was amongst the first cryptocurrencies to feature cryptography that offered, real advances in privacy and fungibility over available alternatives. Its key differentiator was its ability to, allow users to send and receive transactions without making this data available to anyone examining its blockchain. Now, as such, Monero is often classified, classed with the other privacy cryptocurrencies such as Zcash that have sought to address privacy weakness in Bitcoin. Now, down here, we take a look. This, in turn, enables Bitcoin to be traced, making them less fungible as companies are able to identify and blacklist coins involved in suspected criminal enterprises, as an example. However, while projects like Zcash enjoyed media fanfare and backing from venture capitalists, Monero's origins are more comparable to Bitcoin's, involving a small online tech community that grew quietly over time as the project gained credibility and market share. But Monero has also differentiated in other areas apart from just privacy. So, for example, Monero's software is programmed to update every 6 months, a regular schedule that has helped it more aggressively, add new features without much controversy. This has meant that Monero has been able to, continue to introduce cryptographic advances like stealth addresses and ring confidential transactions as well. Giving its willingness to pioneer such advances, Monero has continued to attract interest from cryptographers and researchers looking to push the limits of what's possible in cryptocurrency, which definitely interests us, guys. This is why we're pulled in with Monero. This one could definitely do a 2x, 3x, 5x potentially in the future. I would not be surprised to see this coin back up to the 500s once again in the near future, and obviously even potentially close to $1,000 per coin in the next few years, which would give it a market cap of around 15 to 20 billion. So a potential for a 3 to 4x in the future is definitely, a possibility for Monero, and that's why we added this coin to our list, guys. Coming in at the number 3 spot, we have one of our favorite coins to talk about on the channel. It's going to be Pancakeswap. So Cake. So you guys all know Cake. This one is pretty much flat in the past 24 hours. Its market cap is around 3 billion with the volume in the past 24 hours at 371.5 million. Now in the past week, this one is down about 11%. In the past month, 50% almost. We hit highs of $43, hit lows down here about right under $10. We were at $9 or so. Massive loss right there from what we said, 44 to about $10. That is a loss of about 70% or so from the highs to the lows, which is insane. Now on the 1 year chart, this coin was trading at around half a dollar right there. It was fractions of pennies, I guess you could say, and now we went to highs of over $40 at one point, and now we see this pullback, which just brings us back to prices that we were trading at the beginning of April. So we just wiped out about a month worth of gains, and we're back to where we were a month ago, which is a good opportunity for anybody that believed in this coin in the past, and that was buying it in the 20s, 30s, and maybe even at the top in the 40s. Now it's a good opportunity for you to average cost your price down to the lows, lower than it is right now. So you can get into at around $18 and bring your average price to about, what, 25, 30 potentially, which is a great, buying opportunity if you believe that this coin is going to grow and continue to move higher in the future. Now, what is Pancakeswap? So Pancake is an automated market maker, decentralized finance application that allows users to exchange tokens, providing liquidity via farming and earning fees in return. Now, it launched in September 2020 and is a decentralized exchange for swapping BEP20 tokens on a Binance Smart Chain. Now, Pancakeswap uses an automated market maker model where users trade against a liquidity pool. These pools are filled by users who deposit their funds into the pool and receive liquidity provider LP tokens in return. These tokens can later be used to reclaim their share of the pool, as well as the portion of the trading fees. These LP tokens are known as the FLIP. Pancakeswap also allows users to farm additional tokens such as cake and syrup. On the farm, users can deposit LP tokens and get rewarded with cake. Now, Pancakeswap allows users to trade BEP20 tokens, provide liquidity to exchange and earn fees, stake LP tokens to earn cake, stake cake to earn more cake, and stake cake to earn tokens of other projects. Wow, guys, that is a tongue twister right there. Cake, 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 cake. Leave a comment below. Let me see that cake. Everybody just spam cake in the comments below. Let's see cake all over in the comments, guys. Now, obviously, jokes aside, Pancakeswap, definitely an interesting coin right there. You can do some staking, you can do some different things on there, which is definitely interesting in my opinion. I believe that Pancakeswap is a decent cryptocurrency to be looking at for the future. Potentially do some staking if you're interested in that. I think that is the big upside with this one right now. You could do some staking and different things with the coin, and that's why we're adding it to the list. And also it's been hammered pretty much down from the highs, and that's a great dip buying opportunity in my eyes as we're trading at around a month and a half, cheaper prices than we were. So definitely want to add to your radar, guys. And last but not least, the fourth altcoin on our list before we get into the rest of it is going to be Cosmos, Atom, also known as Atom. So this one is currently trading at $14.21. It is pretty much flat on the 24-hour chart. This market cap on this coin is $3 billion, with the volume in the past 24 hours around 310 million. Now, in the past week, this coin is about, down about 16%. We hit highs here of about $32 per coin and lows down here of about $8 per coin. Massive, fluctuation right there in price just in a matter of about, 2 weeks or so. Now, in the past year, this coin is still up 431% as it was trading at around $2.68 a year ago. Hit highs up here, like we said, at around $30 or so, and then we pulled back down. Now, we are trading at prices back down here at around, February area or so. So we lost about 2 or 3 months of gains on this one. But Cosmos, also known as Atom, is actually a very interesting coin for us for the future. Now, what is Cosmos? So, this one, heralded as the Internet of Blockchains by its founding team, Cosmos aims to create a network of crypto networks united by open source tools for streamlining transactions between them. It's this focus on customizability and interoperability that sets Cosmos apart from other projects. Rather than prioritizing its own network, its goal is to foster an ecosystem of networks that can share data and tokens programmatically with no central party facilitating the activity. Each new independent blockchain created with Cosmos is now, then tethered to the Cosmos Hub, which maintains a record of the state of each zone and vice versa. Now, the Cosmos Hub, a proof-of-stake blockchain, is powered by its native Atom cryptocurrency. Users seeking to stay connected to the current development status of Cosmos can obviously look at the roadmap on their website, and obviously different things that they have as well. But Atom is definitely an interesting coin on our channel that we've talked about in the past, and we definitely think that this one could do a 5x or so in the next few years as the coin continues to grow and continues to show us what else it can do in the future. And that is why we're adding this one to our list of the 4 altcoins for the end of May as we get into June, guys. Now that we've covered the altcoins, let's take a look at Dogecoin, Bitcoin, and Ethereum prices. So the price action right now, Dogecoin down about 1%, like we said, in the past 24 hours, pretty much trading flat. In the past week, down about 17%. But we see here in the past about 3 days, it's been trading around this 30 cents area, and it's been consolidating, which is a great sign, guys. So after we saw that flash crash to about 24 cents right there, we see this consolidation after it popped back up, which is a good sign. Market cap 42.9 billion. Now in the past month, this one is up about 21% still. As we can see that line right there where it's consolidating, trying to bounce back up. That's what we're going to be looking forward to in the next few weeks. Is the crypto space going to bounce back up or go back down? Now, we do see in the stock market, a lot of things are going on. Some short squeezes, like AMC is pumping on higher right now, which could be taking some money into the stock market instead of crypto right now, but that's okay. Right now, if we take a look at Bitcoin, it's up about 1%, currently trading at 38,000. In the past week, down about 6%, so pretty much flat. Been trading around this 35 to 40,000 area. We need to break through that 42,000 area like we talked about in order to continue that bull run into the higher areas. So we need for it to either break up or break down. If it breaks down, we might be in a bad situation. But if it breaks through the 42 area, continues to climb higher, it's going to be a good outlook for us. So this one, market cap 703 or 713 billion. In the past month, this one is down about 30% still from those highs of about 64,000 that we had here mid-April or so. We have not been able to recover from that. So we are trading down here at levels that we were trading at in the beginning of February. So we're back about 2 or 3 months in price. So which is obviously a positive thing as we're cooling off a little bit, pulling back a little bit, consolidating, finding some more space to grow. So hopefully what we're going to see is more consolidation, maybe for another couple of weeks, and then a breakthrough to make new highs and potentially even try to get it back above that 50 to 60,000 area and make new 52-week highs on Bitcoin. Now Ethereum, pretty much the same picture. So Ethereum trading at 2,700, pretty much flat on the 24-hour chart. In the past week, it's almost flat as well. Now on the 1 month chart, still pretty much flat. So it's, if you would have bought a month ago, pretty much Ethereum didn't do anything, even though there was a roller coaster ride of all the way to 4,400, all the way down back to about 1,700, and now we're back to 2,700. But we've been trading here for a few days once again after the crash, consolidating at this area. On the 1 year chart, this one is up still about 1,100%, so $1,000 will be worth around $11,000 right now, with the market cap at 314.6 billion. So Ethereum still doing great. We're still trading at the April level, so we've only wiped out about 1 month worth of gains. And as you guys can see, Ethereum ran up way too quickly right there. In about a month, it doubled up in size, added about 300 billion worth of market cap, which is just crazy to think about right there, how quickly it grew in a matter of a month or so. So this pullback was actually kind of healthy, and gave us dip buying opportunities. So definitely something to be adding as well to your radar to see how it performs in the future, as we think Ethereum will be the #1 coin in the long term and beating Bitcoin. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, smash that like button. Let's aim for 200 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time we make a new video. As always, leave a comment below what crypto should we talk about in the next video. If you guys want to sign up for Webull, there's going to be a link in the description. Get your 2 free stocks valued up to $1,800. If you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.